This tiny board can connect to Wi-Fi, talk over Bluetooth low energy, and control real electronics projects without needing a full operating system. If you want to start learning microcontrollers, this is a great kind of board to begin with because it's small, capable, and made for hardware projects. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Seeed Studio XIAO ESP and Arduino IDE and build a simple blinking LED project. This is a beginner-friendly first step because it teaches the basic flow of writing code, uploading it, and controlling a real pin on the board. The Seeed Studio XIAO ESP32 is a compact microcontroller board based on Espressif's ESP32-C6 chip. It includes built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth low energy, which makes it useful for simple connected projects. It also uses 3.3 volt logic, so you should treat its inputs and output pins as 3.3 volt pins. Here's the beginner setup flow. First, install the Arduino IDE from Arduino's official website. Then open Boards Manager, search for ESP32 and install ESP32 by Espressif Systems. For the Seeed Studio XIAO ESP32, the important step is board selection. In Arduino IDE, choose XIAO ESP32-C6 under the ESP32 board list, not a generic ESP32 board. Next, plug in the board with a USB-C data cable, then select the serial port that appears in the IDE. If the board is not detected, one very common problem is the cable because some USB cables provide power only and do not carry data. If uploading fails, double check the selected board and the selected port. On some setups, you may also need to enter bootloader mode using the boot button. For your first project, keep it simple. One LED, one resistor, and a Seeed Studio XIAO ESP32-C6. On the microcontroller, D10 is a valid GPIO pin, and Seed's pin documentation maps D10 to GPIO 18, so we'll use that here and keep the wiring and code consistent. To wire it, connect pin D10 to one side of the resistor, connect the other side of the resistor to the long leg of the LED, and connect the short leg of the LED to ground. An Arduino setup runs once when the board starts and loop keeps repeating. For a first output project, we'll turn the LED on, wait, turn it off, and repeat. So paste this code on your Arduino IDE. Once the code is uploaded successfully, the board starts running it automatically, so you should see the LED blink over and over. The key idea here is simple. The microcontroller sends an output signal to control something in the real world. If the LED does not blink, check three things first. Make sure you selected the correct serial port and make sure your wiring matches your code with the resistor in series and the LED connected between D10 and ground. Uploading still fails. Try using the boot button to enter bootloader mode. So that's your first working project with the Seeed Studio ESP32-C6. One board, one LED, one resistor, and your first uploaded sketch. If this helped, like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly ESP32 videos.